Here are a few tips on how to get the most out of the training in this course. After you enroll in the course, go to the first lecture and play it for a few minutes. You'll notice the options for the video speed and video resolution. After watching for a few minutes, you may want to adjust the speed. Some students like to watch the video on a faster speed. Some students like to watch the lecture on a slower speed. Based on your preferences, you can tweak the speed here. Click 1x, which is the normal speed. If you want to make it faster, click 1.25, or faster yet, 1.5. And double speed is 2x. If you want to watch it at a slower speed, click either 0.5 or 0.75. The next option is the 15-second forward or backward. If you click here, you move forward 15 seconds. And if you click here, you move backward or rewind 15 seconds. Next, we have the video resolution. Click the setting icon and you will see various resolution options. 1080, 720, 480 pixel. I suggest you select the 1080 pixel resolution so you can see everything very clearly. Suppose you don't understand some part of the lecture. You could click the Browse Q&A. Here you will see all the available questions and answers for that lecture. If you don't see an answer to your question, you can click here on Ask New Question. You can type your question here. I don't understand this. And in the description, type please explain and click Post Question. Then your question will be posted in the question and answer forum. Later, I will follow up and answer the question. The next feature is the Add Bookmark. Suppose you like this lecture or you want to watch it 2 or 3 times. Click Add Bookmark. Here you can add a comment like, I want to watch it twice. Press Enter. Here you can choose to watch in full screen or you can exit from full screen. You can browse this course by clicking this menu icon. You will see each section here. If you click on a particular section, you can browse the lectures for that section. So you can browse each section and see all the lectures for that section. You can see the exercise files too. The first lecture of every section, you will get a file attachment, which is the exercise file for that section. If you go to the first lecture of any section, you will see the exercise file. Just click on the file and download it on your computer. And then, while watching the lecture, you can follow along with me using the exercise file. Let's look at the Section 8, New Instagram App Designed for iOS. Click here and see the first lecture. And there is the Instagram exercise file. Click the file and download it to your computer. Double-click here after it downloads. It will open in a new window. So this is the exercise file for the Instagram section. Here you will find all of the files you need to follow along with me in that section while we complete the design for that section. This will help you learn the lesson better and interactively. If you are new to the course or going through it for the first time, even though you are doing the design along with me, your design may not end up exactly like mine. But if you practice, you'll find after 2 or 3 times, you'll get better with each try. Bottom line is, to be a good designer, you have to practice a lot. Remember, practice makes perfect.